Welcome to the world of AI. Have you ever been scrolling through social media and stopped dead in your tracks by a video? Maybe it was a heart-stopping landscape or a bustling city street captured in such detail you felt like you could step right into the scene. What if I told you that scene might not have been filmed at all? Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is being used to create hyper-realistic videos, blurring the lines between reality and what a computer can create. This opens exciting doors for anyone to become a video whiz, from teachers with engaging visuals to musicians with mind-blowing music videos. But with great power comes great responsibility, and AI video generation also comes with challenges we need to explore. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Are you excited about the future of AI videos? Let's dive in together. AI creates flawless fake videos. Ever scrolled through social media and wondered if a video was real or maybe a bit too perfect? You're not alone. New tech called AI video generation is making it super hard to tell the difference between real life and videos created by computers. Imagine typing out a description of a funny cat video and within minutes having a hilarious clip ready to share. That's the power of AI video generation, and it's changing the way we see the internet. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into this mind-blowing tech, explore what it can do, and see what challenges it might bring. Gone are the days of bulky cameras, expensive editing suites, and weeks of filming. Sora AI empowers anyone to become a video creator, regardless of their technical expertise. The user interface is designed to be simple and intuitive. Imagine a history teacher wanting to create a captivating video about the ancient pyramids. They can simply type in a description of the pyramids at Giza, including details about the surrounding desert landscape and the bustling city life nearby. Sora AI then takes care of the rest, generating a video that brings this historical landmark to life in a way that would have been impossible with traditional methods. This democratization of video creation isn't just limited to educators. Entrepreneurs can use Sora to create explainer videos for their products or services, musicians can craft visually stunning music videos, and social media influencers can generate engaging content to keep their audience hooked. The possibilities are truly endless, and the barrier to entry has been significantly lowered. This can lead to a flourishing of creative expression and a wider range of voices and perspectives being represented online. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of budget or technical expertise, can create professional-looking videos. This is the dream that AI video generation is making a reality. Gone are the days of bulky cameras, expensive editing suites, and weeks of filming. Software like Sora AI empowers anyone to become a video creator with just a few lines of text. This democratization of video creation has the potential to revolutionize how we share information and stories online. Educators can craft captivating lessons with AI-generated visuals, making learning more interactive and engaging. Entrepreneurs can create explainer videos for their products or services without breaking the bank. Social media influencers can generate fresh content to keep their audience hooked. The possibilities are truly endless. However, the impact isn't limited to professionals. AI video creation opens doors for anyone with a story to tell. Imagine a community activist using AI to raise awareness about a local issue. A musician with a catchy song can now bring their vision to life with a stunning music video, even without a hefty budget. This empowers marginalized voices and fosters a more inclusive online environment where a wider range of stories can be shared. This democratization isn't without its challenges. As with any new technology, there's a learning curve, but the potential benefits are undeniable. AI video creation has the power to usher in a new era of creativity and empower anyone to become a video storyteller. While Sora AI is impressive, it's not flawless. A keen eye might still find tiny inconsistencies that reveal the hand of AI. For instance, the way light interacts with objects in a scene can be a giveaway. Real-world lighting is complex and nuanced, and AI-generated videos might struggle to capture all the subtle variations. Another potential telltale sign is the movement of people or animals. While Sora is getting better at understanding and simulating natural movements, there might be a slight stiffness or unnatural fluidity that betrays the AI's handiwork. OpenAI, The developers behind Sora are transparent about these limitations. They acknowledge that as AI video generation technology continues to evolve, the potential for misuse also grows. This is why they're taking steps to ensure responsible development and deployment. One approach is to embed watermarks in Sora-generated videos, acting as a kind of digital signature that identifies the video's origin. Another strategy is to develop tools that can help users distinguish between AI-generated videos and real footage. Imagine a world where politicians deliver fabricated speeches or celebrities endorse products they never touched. This is the dark side of AI-generated videos. Deepfakes, hyper-realistic videos manipulated to show someone doing or saying something they never did, can wreak havoc on trust and spread misinformation. A malicious actor could use deepfakes to sow discord during an election, damage a company's reputation, or even incite violence. The potential for social and political disruption is real and concerning. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or evil. OpenAI understands the dangers of deepfakes and is committed to mitigating them. One way they're doing this is by testing Sora in a secure environment before releasing it to the public. The rise of AI video generation has some worried about job security, particularly in creative fields. Animators, video game designers, and even filmmakers might feel the heat. With AI churning out high-quality content at lightning speed, will there still be a need for traditional methods? The answer is likely yes, but the landscape will definitely change. While AI can handle the heavy lifting of generating realistic visuals, it currently lacks the human touch, the storytelling magic, the emotional depth, and the nuanced understanding of character development that breathe life into a video. Experienced filmmakers and animators will still be crucial for crafting compelling narratives and directing the overall creative vision. Think of AI as a powerful tool in the filmmaker's arsenal, not a replacement. However, the impact on entry-level positions could be more significant. Creating simple explainer videos or social media content might become easily achievable with AI, potentially reducing the need for junior video editors or animators. This highlights the importance of adaptation and acquiring new skill sets. Learning to work alongside AI, to leverage its strengths and compensate for its weaknesses, will be key to success in the evolving media landscape. Despite potential job losses, AI video generation also presents exciting opportunities. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of budget or equipment, can create professional-looking videos. This democratization of video creation could lead to an explosion of creativity and fresh new voices. A budding musician with a catchy song no longer needs a hefty budget to produce a music video. They can use AI to bring their vision to life. A passionate educator with limited resources can create engaging lessons with AI-generated visuals, making learning more interactive and immersive for students. This can also empower marginalized communities and underrepresented voices. Imagine a social activist in a developing country using AI to create videos raising awareness about critical issues. With the barrier to entry significantly lowered, the internet could become a platform for a wider range of stories and perspectives, fostering a more inclusive and diverse online environment. The rise of AI video creation is just one example of how artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world. The key to success in this new era will be the ability to adapt and learn. Governments and educational institutions have a crucial role to play in equipping citizens with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered future. This might involve incorporating AI literacy and critical thinking skills into curriculums, as well as offering retraining programs for those whose jobs are impacted by automation. Individuals can also take proactive steps to future-proof their careers. Developing skills in areas like coding, data analysis, and project management will be valuable assets in an AI-driven world. Additionally, focusing on uniquely human skills like creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving will remain essential for success. The future of video is here, powered by a mix of human creativity and super-smart AI. This new tech can be amazing for learning, creating, and sharing stories. But like anything powerful, there are challenges to consider. The good news is, by being informed and thinking critically, we can navigate this exciting new world together. So next time you watch a video, ask yourself, is it real or AI magic? Let me know in the comments below what you think about AI videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. By working together, we can make sure this future of video is inclusive, creative, and uses this tech for good.